Every single specimen has a story to tell, and that story starts with the data that was collected with it. So it's the metadata that accompanies the specimens. And a lot of times that's where it was collected, who collected it, how they collected it, when, what time of day, what was the temperature, who else was there with them, were they on a research vessel. So all this information comes in the form of field notes. My name is Gabriella Hogue, and I'm the collections manager for the ichthyology collection at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences.
Ichthyology is the study of fishes, which means all of the biodiversity of fishes. There's about 37,000 species of fish that live on our planet today. Here at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, we have about 1.3 million fish specimens that are data-based, but we estimate we have more like 1.5 or 1.6 total in our care at this time. My name is Lily Hughes, and I am the research curator of ichthyology here at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. So a lot of the times we get what we call orphan collections, and they have all of these handwritten notes associated with them. They're not digitized. It takes a lot of time to take everything off that piece of paper and enter it into our database and find it on a map and get all this data online and accessible.
The Fish Notes project is taking the manual transcription of all of the metadata that accompanies the specimens that we have and using artificial intelligence to transcribe that data and thus minimize our data entry time.
Being able to use AI to speed up that process just means that all of these things in our collection will be available for research faster.
We're partnering with the ichthyology collection at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, using AI solutions to build them pipelines to do transcription and then some of the geolocating using the similar tools to the ones that a human curator would use. My name is Chris Bizon. I am the Director of Analytics and Data Science at RNC. RNC is an institute that specializes in data science and cyber infrastructure, which essentially just means that we use different computational approaches to help other people do their research. A lot of it is just spending time with Lily and Gabriella and saying, what is actually the slow part of your work? Where are the things that are causing you trouble? Understanding what their concerns are, understanding the importance of accuracy, and then a lot of it is really around trying something, looking at what comes out, going back, modifying the approach, right? It's just like any other project where we have some goal that we're trying to achieve and some different approaches we can take.
When this product is produced for museums worldwide, it is going to be an absolute life-changing thing for collection managers everywhere. So most of my time as a collections manager has been spent handling the specimens, but even more so transcribing the metadata that accompanies every single specimen. So by minimizing that time, we can maximize our effort as collection managers around the world, dealing with the specimens themselves, and then also providing the data, globally providing the data, so that researchers, educators, conservation managers, teachers all over the world can utilize this data.